play, I slay. I don't walk, I strut, and then sashay. But I don't work for free, that's not the tea, hunty. So make it rain on me, and I might let you see. What you gonna let them see? My nails, hair, hips, heels, nails, hair, hips, heels, nails, hair, hips, heels, nails, hair, hips, heels. My nails, hair, hips, heels.
Welcome back to my channel. I am DACARDIA, also known as Synthetic Wig Whisperer. And if you are new here and you like my vibe, make sure you subscribe. I really wanted to make a video, you know, really showing step by step, like a raw footage type video. I want people to come to my channel, my video, so they can, you know, see step by step on how to apply a wig, or the way I do it at least. I am not a hairstylist. I have not went to school, any of that. But even me sitting here doing videos before you guys, I'm still learning. I'm not the best, and I don't think I'm the best. I'm just making it do what it do. You feel me? So I'm going to go ahead and get started with this video. So, and I did get this bag. I did get this wig from Temu, and all the information is in the description box. But I am going to do less talking in this video and more doing. Okay. This unit is a perfect beginner-friendly wig. It really did not take me that long to install this wig. The lace is beautiful. If I were to give this unit a rating, of course, she is over 10, okay? Like, can you guys see the lace? It's beautiful. But all the information in the description box. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe. I'll see you guys later.